Hello everyone, this is Rahul Shaw, and in this tutorial we are going to create a more refactored version of this whatever we have done till now. As you've seen, like we have done like basic project setup in the last tutorial. We have created a product view card, and we have created a shared module. So whatever we have created, let's do some refactoration work in this tutorial, and we'll try to create more stable directory structure, and we will try to call this product list from the service file. So let's do that. Yeah, so this is my product, this is my project code. Okay, so this is the HTML file and this is the TS file where we have written this product list. So first of all, let's create a service file where we will get after creating that product service file, we will move this code to the service file. So I'm going to create a service file like ngs app service. Okay, so what it will do, it will create a new service file that with the name app service. Okay, so you know that like service file is used to like work with the data. It will send a request towards the data, and it will whatever response we are getting, that it will provide to the component. So basically, this is the service which is created. If you see here, like this is a class service class, and we have added the decorator like injectable. So this will tell like this class is a injectable class, and basically we have provided added the metadata here like provided in root. So first of all, like whenever this class will be available for the root level, and after creating this class, we need to add in the app module. Okay, let's go here and inside the provider, let's add this app service. Okay, so now this app service will be created. This instance will be created whenever the app module will load. Okay, so now let's go to the service file. Let's create here one product list. So basically, where we will copy from here only. Okay, whatever we have product list, move that code here. Okay, so I think I have added something wrong here. Yeah, let's go here. We have added here, right? Now what I'm going to do here is let's create a method get products. Okay, so this is the way I'm going to create and return the observable of this dot product list. So basically, what is the use of this off operator? Off is the an RxJS operator. Okay, so basically, what it will do, it will create that particular data, the observable. So now, anyone wanted to get this data, so that time, what they have to do, they have to just subscribe to this particular method. Okay, so let's go here, remove this data from here, and create one variable that let's not remove this. Let's remove this data. Okay, from here. So we have deleted all the data from here. Now it's like an empty array, and let's define some type. So we are not focusing on type for now. Let's define this as any type and add a constructor so that we can inject the dependency, which is the app dependency. So let's add here public method, public app service, which is going to provide you the product list app service. Now we have added this. Now define, let's define here get ng on init, ng on init. Okay, now after adding on ng on init, what we have to do, we have to implement this on init. Okay, on. Okay, after implementing this, let's define here like this dot app service dot get product. Okay, this is observable, so we need to subscribe, and let's pass here the result will be data will be available in the rest variable. So this dot product list is equal to rest. So now if you see, it will act as same, like it will take the data from the service file and it will show here, right? Till here we are okay. Now let's go to the uh, let's go. If you see, like we have created last time, we have created this kind of thing, right? Toolbar, product view, and material. So now what I'm going to do is basically, let's not include this material inside the shared folder. Okay, and let's create one more folder, that is a component folder inside the shared folder. So inside the component folder, basically we are going to store this toolbar and product view. Okay, let's call this as a product card. Okay, so I'm going to create the same thing. Let's create a new folder, nggc, inside a shared folder. Okay, so inside the shared folder, we are going to create one more folder, that is a components. Okay, and inside that, let's create one more product card. Okay, so basically this will create a new component that is a product card. Let's press enter here. So if you see here, it will create a product card component inside the components folder, which is present inside the shared folder. See here, it's created, right? Now what we are going to do, let's move this toolbar also. Basically this is toolbar is a module, right? Let's not move it, let's keep it here only. Let's just move this one. Okay, this product view, let's copy the code of HTML, okay, and paste inside this. Okay, let's copy the code of CSS and paste inside this. That's fine, right? Now let's go here and copy this input decorator also and go to the TS file, paste here. So now both are same. Let's add this package also. Like we need to include here input. Okay. Now let's remove this complete product view. Okay. Continue. So it will remove. So I think we have added that particular module where here, right? That product view module. Let's remove from here. Okay. And now let's add in the declaration. Okay. Uh, let's add here that particular, it's already there, right? Now what we have to do is, so now if we add a component like this inside the component folder, so this will grow, right? So what we can do is, let's create a module inside the components. That module name will be component module. Okay, let's generate ngg, and oh, something is 1 minute. Let me just click yes here, delete permanently, yes. Okay, now what I am going to do, let's remove product view also. Okay, so now let's create a module nggm, and here what we are going to do is, uh, what we are going to do is basically we are going to create a module inside a shared module inside the shared folder. We are creating a components module, right? Components, yes. Press enter. Now we have created a components module, but I think it will directly create a module. Let's see how it's created. See man, it's created like this. Okay, but we don't need another component, so let's just copy this and paste inside this. Okay, so it's present outside. Let's remove this component folder from here. Okay, let's remove this. Okay, yeah, this is fine now. Okay, what now? Basically we have created a product card, right? Let's add this product card. Okay, product card in the declaration of the components. Okay, let's add this in the component module in the declaration. Okay, and same thing we are going to export it. Okay, let's quick fix this, and same thing we are going to export here. Okay, so let's copy this and paste here. So now whatever components we are going to create here, the same like we will add in the components module. Okay, so let's see what is the error here. What is the error here is declared more than ng. Okay, basically we have included that in shared module also. Let's remove from here, we don't need here. Okay, so this is deleted, this is deleted, and now what we are going to do, basically we have a components module. Let's include that component module in the shared module. Components module. Okay, we have deleted that. That is done. Okay, so let's come here now. See, if you see, like we have a lot of errors in this. So what we can do here, let's include the shared module here. So because whatever material things we are using here, that will come here, right? Not shared module, let's call here material module. Material module. So now this error is gone, right? This is fine. So inside the component we have added the material module. So whatever component needs a like material things. Okay, so that will be available now in this particular module. Okay, so now we have a product card. So now let's go and copy this product card attribute and replace with existing whatever we have. Like we have created this product view. Like let's make this as product card. Okay, and let's make this as a product card. Now if you see something error is there here, what is the error? like it is not available. Let's go here in the shared module and see, like we have not exported this components module. Let's export this also. Okay, so we have now exported that, and let's see, there is gone right, and now the output is also same. So this approach we are going to follow now. Okay, and what next? Product card is created. Now what we have to do is, okay, so now basically I wanted to create a service file, okay, for the product itself. Basically for now the data is coming from app service, right? But I don't want this app service should be involved for the data of product. So what we will do is, we are going to create a service file for product. Okay, so how we can do that? So how we can do that? That is another question. Okay. So we will create a new service for that. Okay. That is a product service, and we are going to move this particular app service, whatever is present inside the app service, that will be present inside the product service. So let's add here. For now, I am creating that in the root level. nggs product products service. Okay. So let's press enter. So it will create a new service, product service, and the same service we need to include in the app module also. So let's wait for some time. So yeah, it's created, right? So let's go inside this, copy this, and paste inside the provider array of app module. Okay. So now it is available here. Let's include this as a quick fix. Okay. So it will include here also. Now whatever we have written in the app service, let's do the just copy paste from here. Okay, copy from here all the things, and go inside the app service and paste here. So now this app service is ready. Let's quick fix this from RxJS, and this product service is ready, right? Now let's go to the app component, and here we don't want to include this app service. Here we want like product service, and here it should be product service, right? And let's just remove this extra service. Okay, now product service is added here. Let's remove the dependency, whatever we don't need that. Okay, so now let's copy this product service and paste here. Okay, this is fine now. So now our data is completely coming from product service. Okay, what next we have to do? Let's refactor a little bit this add button, so that it should be like one increment and one decrement button, and in between there will be some quantity. Okay, so let's go to the product card component, and here we have something, this add button, right? Let's add here one div, and let's copy this, paste inside this one more, and inside that let's add here one more span tag. Okay, and this will be for quantity. Let's now initially the quantity will be 0. Okay, how it looks, let's see how it will look. I have saved this. Let me refresh this application. I think we have not started this application. Npm start, let's do npm start. Npm start, it will start my application. And okay, just wait for 1 minute till the time. Let's so basically here I wanted to add, uh, go to the css file, and here we wanted to add uh, quantity container. Okay, basically this I have created one class quantity container. Let's copy this class and go to the inside the css, and let's add here one quantity container. And here we wanted display, it should be flex direction row, and align item center. Okay, let's see how it looks now. This is the way it looks now. Let's make this the first add button as, here let's define this as a plus increment. No, let's define this as a minus, left side minus, and right side should be plus. Okay, now it will look like this, but this button is very big. Low, let's define something, and here in the code. Okay, For let's make this as a gap of uh, 5 pixel. Let's see what will happen. Okay, this looks nice, good. Now I wanted to make this button little small. So what we can do inside that, whatever the button is present, so that button I wanted to give some width 10 pixel and height also 10 pixel. Let's see what will happen. Oh man, it's very small. Width should be, let's give width as uh, height is this much, right? 24 pixel. Let's see what will happen. This is the 24 pixel, and height also we wanted to give. Let's give as 24 pixel. Okay, let's see what will happen. It's not taking lights. That define is important, not important, because no, it's not taking. Maybe that is taking from some other place. Okay, let's not consider for now. And this quantity, whatever is present now, let's just go inside that. Define its span tag. Okay, and here we can write font size as 20 pixel and font weight as bold. Okay, so if you see now, it looks like this. It looks very big. Let's make this a 16 pixel. And now this is like that. Yeah, this is fine, I think. So what will happen if I will place something like 0 here, right? Let's define here 10. Let's define 10. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, it looks good. So what next we have to do here? We have created the product service also. So in the next tutorial, so basically I think that's it from my side in this tutorial. In the next tutorial, what we are going to do, basically we are going to create the increment and decrement button. We are going to create one cart button also. Okay, so when we click on the cart, so that time it will go to the cart page. Yeah, thank you very much.